Hey guys, it's Lindsay, and you might have noticed recently that I've been wearing something like this on my neck. This is a Bluetooth wireless mic. It is made by, I believe it's pronounced Samsonite, SabineTek. Someone tell me what it's supposed to be. I've been using it now for a few weeks, and so I wanted to give y'all a review of how it's been working for me. I'm a sucker for Instagram advertising. This came up on my IG. Kind of hard to show the product and keep talking into it. It comes like this. There's the mic right there. A clip-on feature, so you can clip it right on to your shirt or your lapel or whatever it is. And when I first started using it, I used it just like this. It also comes with a wind protector. One thing I've noticed, I started using this on the golf course. So windy some days when I'm out there. So the wind protector has come in really, really handy to use, and it's just kind of goes on. And it stays there, and it really does protect against the wind really well, and you can hear my voice and not the wind as much. But one thing I will tell you that's kind of annoying about it, it comes off really easy. If you're not careful, you'll lose it. I'm sure you can order extra ones on their site. I haven't looked into that, but it does come off fairly easily. It goes on easily, which is nice, but it also pops off, and I've almost lost it a few times. It comes with a manual. This is the S610 version. I didn't realize that, so I didn't know there was versions. Works with iPhone, iPad, iPod, according to the box. I purchased just the single microphone. It was $135. This is the box that it comes in. You get a manual, a charging cord, and it came with this. Believe it or not, I'm not like a media person, so I think this is just another wind protector thing that can go on the microphone, so you can put it there if it's, I don't know, extreme weather conditions. Someone tell me what this is for. I know it's on a microphone. Maybe it I believe it just muffles extra excess noise more than anything. Maybe if I was in a really busy room or busy area, I would use this and it would help that. Comes with an earbud for you to check sound on. I have not used that yet. A pouch to put your microphone in, to put everything in, to put your wind protector. I don't know. If you want a little leather pouch, comes with a leather pouch as well. Has it worked? Do I love it? For not having a microphone and then suddenly having a microphone, it's been a game changer. So I can be active, I can be on the tennis court, on the golf course, using my tennis trainer, and you can still hear the things that I'm saying, right? There is a range, I think it says 20 feet, maybe it's 12 feet, 20 feet. Maybe it just depends on me being outside and what I'm doing, whether it works, but that's been a frustration. Sometimes commentary gets cut off or cut out, and it's not always on there. And it's not a cutout like blank quiet, it's a cutout like, it makes a noise. Probably user error more than the actual device, but that has been an issue. And you have to download the app, and through the app you do the recordings. That is okay, except for if you have a lot of things on your phone, you might not have storage available on your phone to use that. And I also have had some times where I've recorded stuff and it has not transferred over to my camera files. So that's frustrating. Then I have to go back in and I have to do a screen record over things. And it's just an extra step. Would I buy it again and would I recommend it? Yes, I would. I would buy another one. It does work most of the time. And I think I haven't had it long enough, so maybe I'll do another follow-up review later. If you know of a similar product within this price range, let me know in the comments or send me a message. And I'd love to look into that and test it out as well. Again, this is the SmartMike Plus. It's from SabineTek. It's a Bluetooth microphone. It's very light, simple, it does clip on. Sometimes I forget it's even there, so it doesn't become a distraction at all when you're using it, which is also a really great feature. If I was giving this a grade right now for what I've had and what I've been able to use it for, I'd probably give it a B+, verging on an A-. I'm glad I have it. I've thought about purchasing another one. If you've used this microphone or have any suggestions, tips, or advice, I'd love to hear your experiences as well. So leave a note in the comments and I will be sure to respond to them. Again, I'm Lindsay. This is the Sabine, we're not sure, Tech Bluetooth wireless microphone. If you'd like to see videos where I'm using the microphone, check out the playlist that I've tagged below and you can see them there. Again, I'm Lindsay. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.